In this video, we are reviewing one of Boston's first full-service, amenity-packed high-rise buildings. In a prime address in Boston's Back Bay, the Trinity Place Residences at 1 Huntington Ave offer an elegant living experience in the sky. This iconic building features luxurious, fully customized condos, featuring high-end finishes, spacious layouts, and breathtaking city views. This video will look at the building in depth, discussing the floor plans, finishes, pricing, amenities, and premier location. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to relocate in and around the city. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me with additional questions about this property, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. Situated at the confluence of Back Bay and the commercial district that is developed near and around the Prudential Center, the tower marks the gateway to Copley Square. Located to one side of the landmark Boston Public Library, it is surrounded by other historic buildings, including Trinity Church and the Copley Plaza Hotel. The massing of the building reflects the geometry of its triangular site along Huntington Avenue, which cuts diagonally into the Back Bay grid. The base of the tower preserves the low-rise scale of Huntington Ave, while the high-rise tower is oriented towards the Back Bay. Its limestone-finished, precast concrete facade is divided horizontally into a composition of base, middle, and top that refers to neighboring historic structures. In contrast to the rectangular office buildings that are located nearby, the tower's striated form finishes in a dramatic, steeply pitched roof that gives it more residential character and affords magnificent views. Trinity Place was built in 1999, with 96 condo units split across 18 stories that stretch 236 feet to the sky. Delivered in vanilla condition by the developer, these residences were left for owners to customize, resulting in a diverse array of unique, high-end interiors. Many units feature hardwood floors that run through spacious living areas, creating a warm and elegant atmosphere. Kitchens have been upgraded to include top-of-the-line appliances, such as stainless steel ranges, refrigerators, dishwashers, and microwaves, complemented by granite countertops and sleek cabinetry. Bathrooms often boast luxurious marble finishes, with elegant fixtures that provide a spa-like retreat. High ceilings and expansive picture windows flood the residences with natural light, while offering breathtaking views depending on the unit's orientation. Residents can enjoy serene vistas of the Charles River, the historic charm of the Back Bay, the vibrant streets of the South End, or the dynamic skyline of downtown Boston. Select units also feature private balconies or terraces. To provide an example of a layout in the building, a penthouse unit recently sold which was renovated to the highest standards. This residence features high ceilings reaching up to 11 feet and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light, while offering panoramic views of the Charles River, Back Bay, South End, and downtown Boston. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with a sleek breakfast bar for casual dining, ample workspace, and state-of-the-art appliances from Thermador and Bosch. The bathrooms are spa-like retreats, showcasing luxurious marble finishes and high-end fixtures that elevate the overall elegance of the home. A standalone soaking tub and glass walk-in shower complete the experience. The living spaces are thoughtfully designed with an emphasis on openness and comfort, seamlessly blending sophistication with functionality. This penthouse exemplifies the level of customization and refinement that makes Trinity Place one of Boston's most prestigious residential addresses. Units range between studio and 5-bedroom homes. Studios range in size from 405 to 465 square feet. One-bedrooms range in size from 780 to 1,200 square feet. Two-bedrooms range between 1,400 and 2,500 square feet. Three-bedrooms and over range in size between 1,900 and 5,300 square feet. Pricing for homes varies depending on size, floor level, customizations, and which direction the unit faces. Studios are priced between $500,000 and $600,000. One-bedrooms are typically priced between $1.2 and $2 million. Two-bedrooms are priced between $1.9 and $3.1 million. Three-bedrooms and over range between $3.3 and $10 million. Rentals are available from $3,000 to $15,000 per month. HOA fees are determined based on unit square footage and will cost anywhere from $500 to $7,000 monthly. Looking at amenities, Trinity Place is celebrated for its impeccable services that provide residents with a seamless and luxurious living experience. The building features 24-hour concierge services, ensuring residents have assistance at any time for tasks such as receiving packages and coordinating various needs. Complementing this is round-the-clock valet parking, offering the ultimate convenience by managing vehicle parking and retrieval for both residents and their guests. A dedicated doorman is present 24/7, enhancing security and providing assistance with building access and welcoming guests. On-site property management and maintenance teams are always available to address any concerns, ensuring the property is meticulously maintained. Residents also enjoy priority seating at Sorellina, the fine Italian restaurant located within the building, offering a convenient and upscale dining experience. Additionally, guest parking accommodations make hosting visitors effortless, eliminating the stress of finding parking in the busy Back Bay area. These high-level services ensure that living at Trinity Place is synonymous with ease, luxury, and professionalism. Trinity Place also offers residents several exceptional amenity spaces designed to enhance urban living. The building features a well-maintained fitness center, providing a convenient space for residents to exercise without leaving the premises. The elegant lobby serves as a welcoming entrance where residents can greet their guests or wait to be picked up. These thoughtfully curated spaces contribute to the lifestyle of comfort and convenience, making Trinity Place a premier residential choice in Boston. Moving on to the location, Trinity Place is one of the best-positioned full-service condo buildings in Boston, in the middle of Back Bay, yet just minutes from the South End, Fenway, and downtown. Situated at the intersection of Huntington Avenue and Dartmouth Street, Trinity Place occupies a prime corner in Boston's Back Bay, one of the city's most prestigious and vibrant neighborhoods. The building is directly adjacent to the Boston Public Library in Copley Square, offering residents immediate access to iconic landmarks. To the west, the Prudential Center and its glass-clad towers rise nearby, providing an excellent contrast to the traditional styling of Trinity Place. The surrounding streets are lined with historic brownstones, adding to the neighborhood's charm. This strategic placement not only enhances the building's appeal, but also grants residents unparalleled convenience to luxury shopping on Newbury Street, fine dining, and cultural destinations like Symphony Hall and the Museum of Fine Arts. Trinity Place serves as a bridge between the past and present, embodying the essence of Boston's architectural and cultural identity. Residents can step outside and are instantly in Copley Square, as well as seconds from Boylston and Newbury Street, which features some of the best designer shopping, five-star dining, and nightlife in the state. Just across the street from Trinity Place is the South End with even more amenities and entertainment options. Truly, the opportunities and access living at Trinity Place offers are endless, just seconds away. Trinity Place also offers outstanding public transit access, with a Copley station on the Green Line 2 minutes away. This station provides direct access to downtown Boston and other major destinations along the Green Line. Additionally, Back Bay Station, which services the Orange Line, Amtrak, and commuter rail lines, is a 4-minute walk from 1 Huntington Ave, approximately 0.2 miles. Residents can walk here and take the train directly to New York. This proximity to key transit hubs allows for quick and convenient travel across the city, region, and country. Overall, Trinity Place at 1 Huntington Ave offers an unbeatable combination of location, convenience, and lifestyle, with easy access to the best Boston has to offer. It's a perfect home for those not interested in the newer glass high-rise buildings who still want a luxury full-service living experience in a premier area of Boston's Back Bay neighborhood. If you would like to tour this building or you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours and building reviews.